Wednesday, October the 4th, St. Francis of Assisi. Focus. As for you, go and proclaim the kingdom of God. From the crucifix of San Damiano, St. Francis of Assisi heard Christ say, "Go and repair my house, which is falling into ruin." Francis began rebuilding the almost collapsing church edifice, but he later realized that Christ was speaking of his spiritual church, of drawing people back to God. Jesus tells his disciples to proclaim the kingdom. But how do I proclaim Christ? Through action. By making Jesus the Master, the King of my life, by obeying Him and living by His word, by loving God and neighbor. There is a constant battle within us to resist the snares of the world. It is only when we overcome daily temptations through God's grace that we will become living examples of Christ. That is, when the kingdom of God is proclaimed and the true church of Christ is built. St. Peter says, "You yourselves, like living stones, are being built up as a spiritual house." Am I active in the parish or a prayer group or association? Good. I am working in God's vineyard. How good is my relationship with others? If there is a problem that I make no attempt to resolve, then I am failing to preach Christ. St. Francis of Assisi said, "It is no use walking anywhere to preach unless our walking is our preaching." Fruit. Lord, help me to proclaim you by my words as well as in action.